Hey guys, welcome to another day. I got a 2004 Toyota 4Runner here. This is a 4.0 V6 engine, and guess what? I made the biggest mistake of my life not recording this because I had a back pain and I wasn't able to go crazy like I always do, record everything detail by detail. But I'm gonna give you the details anyway. How to replace the belt. And the part number on this belt that I used is right there, Conti Tech. This is the old belt, okay? That's been changed. I'm gonna show you the routing and the part number. That belt was around like 45 bucks. You could probably find it a little bit cheaper. That's the part number though I gave you. So this does have 3 pulleys, idler pulleys. I'll show you exactly. I'll show you the belt diagram, exactly everything that you need to know. All right, so the part number on 2 of the pulleys are the same, this and this. Okay, so that are these 2 right here, and one of the pulleys is right below, right down there. See right there? That's the pulley right there. That's one of these. So the part number on these, there you go, made by Gates, and the part number, there you go. So they're the same part number, and these are the 2, okay? And the second one is located right there. Let me take my camera in there, and hopefully we can see the second pulley. All right. The third one is down below. It's a little bit different. The part number comes in this little bigger box, so that's the part number on that one, and it's gonna come assembled, okay, just like that. It's gonna come with a new bolt and everything, and in the back it's gonna have a little locking washer, so you don't need to do anything. Just take it and put it in there. But for these 2, it does come with a little center pointing, it's like a little washer with the, I don't know what it's called. And you don't need to put the washer that you took off, but you do need to use reuse the bolt. And I use the washer just in case, because that's the best way. And that's how I locked that one and that one down. I'm gonna show you on my computer the diagram, but one down in the bottom is a little difficult to get to, but from the bottom down here you're able to get that one as well, okay? From down here you have a pretty much good clearance down there. All right, so what I did was, from right here I pushed the tensioner. Tensioner is the pulley down below this, okay? That's the tensioner pulley right down here. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to show you that. But anyways, what I did was I took off this cover to give you a little bit extra clearance. So usually you'll have a 12 and 12. In my case, somebody changed it, number 10 and a 12. And this cover just comes right out. And that pulley, I took it off from right here and I put it from right there. This one, I took it off from right here and I put it from right here. So the belt does go around the fan. So you need to get the belt through this fan on, just stick it in there and turn the fan with it, and it will get in there. Once you're in there, you can reroute the belt, and I'm gonna show you the routing of the belt. It's very simple. And what I did was I got the belt from the bottom. I started off from the bottom. I put it on the AC compressor down there. Oh, the idler pulley, the tensioner pulley is also back down there. Went around the crank. I'm gonna show you the complete diagram on that. And then at the end, what I did was I took it off. The idler pulley up here under this oil filter, the new idler pulley right there. That was the last point that I put on, okay? And then I slid it right under it once I yanked the tensioner, okay? Very simple, that's how it was. So I'm gonna go to my computer and I'm gonna show you the diagram on this, all right? But that's everything that I did here. It took me no more than 45 minutes to complete the whole job, all right? And these pulleys, they wasn't cheap, but they were like 45 bucks each. This one was like almost like 65 bucks. And that's the pricing on those. And you got the part number. And let's go on my computer. All right, guys. So here we are with the diagram right here. So before you take off the belt, you could take off the diagram or go by this. This is a 4.0 engine again. So you got the water pump right here. So the belt goes up above it. Like I said, it grabs the water pump from the top and bottom. And this is the tensioner. This is the pulley that we changed right below the oil filter housing. And this was another pulley right here we changed, and right here was another pulley we changed. This is the one that comes with the bolt and everything. So these two are the same, and this one's a little different. But anyways, the belt goes, so what I did was I left the belt out on this pulley right here, this idler pulley. That's the one under the oil filter housing. So from down below, what I did was, first I got the belt to go through the fan. Once you get it through the fan, you have to get it through the fan, otherwise you're not gonna be able to put it on. So pretty much what I did was I put the belt down from starting from the bottom. I put it around this water pump, under it, over this tensioner pulley, and then it came right around on the crank pulley, and then over this idler pulley, the one we changed, and then it came back around this AC compressor. So I had the belt sitting pretty much in that angle. Then I came up on the top. I put the belt around here over the water pump, and I left it out right here, and then I put it around this alternator. Then I yanked this tensioner. You do need to yank it counterclockwise. So if you have something like a ratchet, you would turn it like that, okay? And then I slipped the belt. As soon as I pull the tensioner, I slipped the belt right under this idler pulley. But what happened was, when I did that, it did not sit properly on the water pump. So make sure you check on the top of this water pump and leave it on. Pull the tensioner a little bit more, don't break it, and then slowly slip that belt on, and then just make sure it sits properly everywhere on all the pulleys, and then crank it up after that. Make sure the bolts are tight. I do not have torque spec, just to let you know. Do not have torque spec because I could not find it. But anyway, that's what I did. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you need any more information, let me know. If you have any questions about anything else, check engine, about this car, send me a message, because I will not hesitate to give you some information. I'm always here to help. If you have any heating or AC issues, I do have videos. And if you have all the lights like track off, ABS, and you need to do a zero calibration on this truck, that's a very common problem on this truck. If you have problems with that, send me a message. All right, so thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you on the next one.